Hi, I'm Ron Sealander and welcome to eBits. I'm the Director of Engineering for eSwitch, and today I'd like to introduce to you another option to the ULV Anti-Vandal product line. This option is a socket that assembles onto the back of the switch terminals, eliminating the need to solder wires to the switch. This socket has an orientation post, so it can only be assembled onto the switch one way, eliminating any assembly errors in production. The socket also has a locking feature to help retain the socket to the switch. The socket is ordered with the switch, so you don't have the added task of ordering two different parts and making sure that the pinout of the socket matches the switch. For more information on the ULV and any of our other products, please visit our website at e-switch.com.